Are you ready to transform your Instagram into a powerful income stream? Imagine earning up to $2,500 every single month directly from your passion. This isn't just a dream, it's entirely achievable for you.
Just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, it's gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
first, master affiliate marketing. Promote products you genuinely love and earn commissions on every sale. Next, leverage sponsored posts by partnering with brands eager to reach your audience. Don't forget digital products. Create and sell your own ebooks, courses, or templates. Finally, offer your expertise through coaching or consulting services. These proven methods are your blueprint. Stop scrolling and start strategizing. Your financial freedom is just a few strategic posts away. Take action now and build the life you deserve. As a bonus tip, you need to grow your account to a huge number of followers by sharing videos or posts daily depending on the niche you choose. You can use free AI video generating apps like Sora to generate and post videos daily on Instagram. This will help you grow your account faster. If you have any problem in setting up your Sora account, watch the video that will pop up immediately after this, or you can check on the video in the description of this video.